Hey, what's going on, guys? Travis with Preston, another beautiful morning in Cusco. So right now I'm at, outside the hotel waiting on to be picked up to go to on a very, very special adventure today. And we're going through the Rainbow Mountains, supposed to be elevation around 16, 17,000 feet. I'm already having breathing issues due to the elevation of Cusco. We're in around 11,000 some feet. So we'll see how this goes today and how sucky it's gonna be. But you know, this part of the journey is something I always wanted to do. Like, you know, just checking off the block of all the 7 wonders of the world. This would be my 4th out of the 7. So I got a couple more left on that particular journey. Also, I just want to say, man, take the time to make sure that you hit the like button, leave a comment at the end, subscribe, recommend to other people. I really, really want to grow this channel. I'm having fun with this. I just appreciate all the support and love that you guys have been giving me. Oh yeah, so on a side note, let's just make sure that you bring some oxygen. So I have an oxygen tank in my bag. It's about 48 solas, which is maybe about $10, maybe something like that. I made sure I put the conversion up. But so yeah, so that's what we're gonna be doing today. It's an all-day event. It's roughly about $48. So normally we get picked up around 4:30 in the morning, but we chose to do the later time, which is roughly about 7:30 in the morning. So, you know, later in the day a little bit. Roughly, I do believe the ride is a couple of hours, maybe about 2 hours. I think it's about 2 hours to the site. And then, like I said, we get to hiking. I'm not sure if I'm really gonna hike the whole thing. I'm thinking if they have a donkey or a horse, a sled, somebody with a strong back, it don't matter. I might have to get on their back, and then I have no issues, no problems with that. Because like I said, I'm all about the adventure. And besides, if I'm paying for the donkey or the any type of animal to carry me up there, hey, I feel like I'm stimulating the economy. You know what I'm saying? Because somebody has to train that, you know, donkey or whatever. So we're gonna keep it going like that. So make sure I take you guys on the journey, the ride. All right, so stay tuned. Peace. All right, guys. So we just got in the car. We have a private tour today, so that's a blessing. So you got Brian over here.
What's going on, man? It's Brian Beard the Beast here.
There you go. And so yeah, we're making our way. So the tour guide, he said it's roughly about 2.5 hours from Cusco, or at least from my hotel at least. So you know what I'm saying, we're just gonna be enjoying the ride. So this is our tour guide. His name is Harry, and Frank is our driver. So it's pretty dope. So yeah, so like I said, we're just enjoying the trip. Oh, you got something?
Yeah, I would say like the private tour is a little bit more expensive than your regular standard tour. So if it's just 2 of you, I would say go ahead and spend an extra bit of money for the private tour. That way you can ride in comfort with just the 2 of you in the car versus being on a crowded bus with people for 2.5 hours.
Yeah, that's a good tip, because I like private tours just because it makes it a little bit more intimate. So I make sure I put the price of how much I pay for this tour, and let's say we're gonna just continue driving. All right, peace. All right, guys. So we just reached the summit where you can park. So as you can see, I'm in the parking lot. So it was kind of treacherous coming up the road. It's a little scary. Go a little bit into that. So like I said, our tour guide, Harry, like Harry Potter. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. So he's gonna actually walk around and show us. We got our walking sticks, and we're actually gonna catch. You say a horse, right?
Yeah, in the horse, right?
Yeah, we're gonna do a horse all the way up and all the way down. So don't judge me. Just to let you know, when you come here, there's an emergency room and there's bathrooms and then there's souvenir shops. So you guys will be protected. So
Keep change on me.
oh yeah, keep change because it's one solas for the baños, for the bathrooms. All right, so let's go.
Yeah, here we are.
So how many feet did you say we were, or meters?
Meters are 4,600 right now.
So right now we're 4,600 feet up in the. Oh, I'm sorry, meters.
Yeah.
Up right now, and I feel it, guys. Whew.
You guys could see just in front there where are those snows, those cape of snows. There are 3 small lagoons right there.
Okay.
They are pretty famous. This road used to take like 2 days on one night to get until that area too.
Wow.
The people used to do camping sites around there. 2 small rivers. One of these, it's a blue one like the Umantai Lake, a blue one like a turquoise.
Okay.
The other one is a red one, and the third one is a yellow one. Those are because of the minerals, the presence of the different minerals on that area.
Okay.
Okay.
You have a better view.
I am winded already, guys. So definitely gonna take my time. Whew. It's goddamn. It's a little thin up here. Shout out to anybody that climbs this damn thing. Yeah, guys, this is a beast. But the horses are right there. A couple more feet. And it's a little cold up here too. So guys, a little joint. I do have asthma really bad, so it's kind of tough for me. So just be careful on that. All right.
Pounds? I don't think 295 pounds. I think I'm gonna be able to get on these horses, bro.
Are you serious?
You get on these horses? You have to walk it, baby.
I'm not gonna be able to walk. So it is a weight requirement.
Yeah. Okay.
All right, guys, hold on for a second. All right, so guys, we walked a little bit up the road. Harry is trying to figure some stuff out for us. What's going on?
Well, I just called to the security one.
Yeah.
He is calling in the radio to the guys who are on the top to get the biggest horse.
Okay.
So they are on the way. So
Can we?
chill out for a while here.
Okay, yeah. I think that'd be the safest thing because I'm not sure if Brian of the Bearded Beast is at top-notch performance right now.
Oh, Brian the Bearded Beast is good to go.
All right, so that was for YouTube?
Oh, no.
That's what I'm talking about.
These goddamn sticks and go.
Yeah.
You see the lagoons I was talking
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is that the yellow one or is that the,
That's actually the red
the red one?
as
Okay,
well.
all right. I was like, I can see kind of the coloring.
Yeah.
So that's the Red Lagoon. Okay.
There are two of those. They are like on the steps. So,
Okay.
Okay.
yeah, we used to do camping in that area actually before.
Why did you stop?
2 days, 1 night.
Okay. So are they still doing it or they
Not anymore.
why?
Yeah.
What happened?
It's too strong, the hiking.
Okay. Oh,
Too
got
long.
it. Yeah.
Oh,
It used to be
it's
very
beautiful out here, though.
Yeah.
It's like on the way.
So, guys-
Oh yeah. So you got to walk all of that.
I'm chewing some cocoa candy
Okay.
that I got from the market in Cusco. That's supposed to help with altitude sickness. So, but I hope you guys can enjoy it.
I'm gonna walk. Do some walking.
We're gonna do a little walking. I'm gonna do a little stopping too.
All right. Hey, let's.
Yeah. You know what is the rainbow? You see at the end of the road, straight ahead, like a V.
Yep.
Right?
Uh-huh.
You see like little trees? Those are not trees. Those are people.
Okay.
That's a rainbow mountain.
That's Rainbow Mountain?
On the right side, actually.
Uh-huh.
Oh, okay.
Over here?
Yeah.
That's it?
Yeah, man.
Oh. Bro, that's it. It's right there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. On the left side is a sightseeing view.
Yeah.
On the right is the Rainbow Mountain.
Okay. Let's walk. Let's get to that bend right there, and then we'll stop.
Okay.
So let's do
All right,
the
guys. So
stages.
we're gonna do it in stages, and bear with me, okay, guys? Peace. All right, guys. So we're still walking. Sorry. So you see, we're a little ways. We done walked all the way from over there. So I'm making it, guys. So nice little journey, nice little hike. That's one of the things, man. You gotta believe in yourself and get yourself out of your comfort zone as we make it through this passage to the Rainbow Mountains. I want to say shout out to everybody that's watching this, and make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment. Damn, I'm tired. All right. I go Brian up there, he's chugging along. I guess, being the weak link here. But this is what we do. All right. All right, guys. So I hope you can hear me. So I literally at the halfway point. As you can see, we came from way over there somewhere. And this is about the halfway point. Brian is looking like a beast, hence the name. So on the count of 3, everybody say F Brian. Oh man, this is like my 3rd hit of oxygen. So as you can see, it's real strenuous, man. Like even people that's in real good shape struggle, and I'm not in the greatest shape at all. You know what I'm saying? So it's very, very tough for me. I will say, making it this far, I'm real proud of myself because, dude, I'm like hurting right now. But it's all good. So this is like the realism side of when you hiking and you want to go to these different places. So we still got to go that way. I'm actually trying to wait for a horse. Hopefully it comes soon. But as you can see, let me show you the views. All right, guys. All right, guys. So yeah, so we waited about 10, 15 minutes, and they can't find a horse. So for safety reasons, this is where I'm just gonna stop. Just I definitely wanted to see it, but maybe later down the road I can see it. He said there's a different options or whatever that you could take to see the Rainbow Mountains. Since I planned this on the last minute because we was actually supposed to see this a few days ago, but it got canceled due to snow. And so I actually booked this the day of. So they didn't know, the different options, or we didn't know the different options that we can actually take. So Brian, he's going to attempt to continue. So he said the first part of the, I guess the halfway point is more or less like a 1 out of a 5. And then he said like the initial part, like right after this is more or less, it's maybe like a 2. Then he said, as soon as you get past the 2 spot, it immediately goes into, a 4. And then he said the last part to get to the very, very last part is literally a 5. So as you can see, it's not raining, but it's hailing. So, there you go. This is bad weather. So that's another thing. It would have just took me entirely too long to get up there. I do believe wholeheartedly I could have made it, but like I said, it's not worth it. What I'm saying? Like, hey, I'm an adventurer, but I have a family to think about. So either way, this is pretty exciting for me. As you can see, the snow caps of this mountain, stuff like that. So yeah, it's pretty high up in the mountain. So this is what it is, man. So it's gonna be Travels to Preston, logging off from halfway up Rainbow Mountain. All right, peace.